Hi Naija Tribe, welcome back. Today's video will feature 2 sauces made with pantry ingredients that are very simple to put together and super delicious. And it doesn't even take that long to put together on top of that, so it's like a win-win all the way around. We're making a barbecue sauce and a cheese sauce, and guys, you can put this on anything. I've been putting this on steamed kale, broccoli, potatoes. Barbecue sauce, we've been putting on our homemade black bean burgers, and pretty much anything. Is super delicious. You can customize the recipe, make them more spicy if you like. If you like that, or if you don't like it, you can downplay or eliminate the spice. Very customizable. Can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. And without further ado, here are the recipes. So these are all the ingredients you'll need for this barbecue sauce. Be sure to take a screenshot of this so you'll have it. This recipe is very simple, guys. You take everything that you just saw on the previous screen, all those ingredients, and you put it into a pot, you heat it up, and then you add more or less water depending on how thick or thin you want your barbecue sauce or paste. And it's really that simple. You keep tasting it and make it more spicy if you want it more spicy, or take out the heat if you don't want it spicy at all. It's very customizable, but it's super simple, super quick, and it is full of flavor. Please give this a shot. In this version of the barbecue sauce recipe, I made more of a barbecue paste, meaning I put less water in it because I wanted to put it on our black bean burgers, and I also wanted to marinate some soy curls in it. So that's why it's thicker here, but totally add more water if you want it thinner or not. Here are all the ingredients for the cheese sauce, guys. Take a screenshot so you have all the measurements. This cheese sauce is so good, and it's pretty simple to do. I have about a pound or so, or several Yukon Gold potatoes that I put inside my Instant Pot so they can steam and wait and they don't take that long. While that's happening, I go ahead and saute some of our aromatics that go into the sauce. So I'll just throw that into a frying pan with no oil. I just use some veggie broth to saute the onions and the garlic, and add all of the seasonings that are listed in the ingredients list. And I let that all marry together. And then we just take all this that's in the frying pan and a couple of the potatoes that are steamed. We put that into our high-powered blender, and we have our cheese sauce. It is that simple, guys. An excellent cheese sauce with no dairy that actually tastes cheesy and is so delicious. It's super easy. I keep this in stock. I keep this in our refrigerator. I put this on any kind of steamed vegetable, put this on potatoes, make grilled cheese sandwiches with it. And if you want to see videos for any of that, just let me know in the comment section below. But this cheese sauce is the business. I'm trying to tell you. And it's super easy. You'll love it. Please give this one a try. Let me know what you think. Put in the comments below. And if you want to see any variations of this or any other ideas, like I said, a grilled cheese sandwich or whatnot, just let me know. I'll show you here in a second. I just made some steamed kale, poured that cheese sauce over it. I marinated some barbecue soy curls, and it's so delicious, guys. Give it a shot. Hope you love it. Bye.